Hi there. So today we are going to create this model in Creo. So let's start. So we are going to start from this sketch. So I'm just clicking on front plane, clicking on sketch, making it normal. So it's a circle of dia 52. So click on circle, select center point, make it like this. So click over here, specify dimension, it is 52. So now click OK and then click on extrude. So total extrusion distance is 40. So make it 40 and then make it symmetric with respect to center plane. So click OK. So this is done. So now we need to create this shape. So this shape, if you click over here, this is your cross section, but the distance is changing like 35 to 50. So we have to create this with swept-blend. So already we know for swept-blend we need to create first the path, how it has to make. So we need to create like this. So click on line. So I'm starting from center and end it like this. So dimension, click over here. So this is 136. This one is 85. So click OK. So if you want your sketch now itself, you can create, or afterwards also we can create inside of that. So I'll just go to swept blend, select this. So automatically to profile. So I want to start my profile over there. So go for section, click on it, click on sketch. So we need to create this sketch. Just starting from line. So straight, angled, straight. So this one is angled. It's fine. So now specify the dimension. So click over here to here. So this is 6. This is 4. This is also 4. And this one is 25. That is total 50. So now we need to mirror. So mirror with respect to this. Then select a hole. Mirror with respect to center. Still we need to mention one more. That is this distance. So this one is 35. So click on dimension, select this endpoint, click over here, make it 35. So click OK. So one sketch completed. So we need to go for another sketch. So insert, click on section 2, sketch. So here also we need to do the same thing. So making it angled. Fine. Specify the dimensions. Same height 6. Angle 4. 25. Mirror. Select this and mirror with respect to the center line. So now this center distance is different. It is 50. And we need to make this distance also, it is 15. Now everything is fixed. Click OK. So automatically it will get joined. So still we need to make some changes. So we need to specify fillet R2 on every ends. So I'm specifying fillet between here. Okay, specify the dimensions of the fillet. it is 2, and click on equal, select and make everything equal. So over here, this one, and below also. So here we need to specify the distance, that is 15. So click on dimension, select this point and this point, specify 15, click OK. So now click on sketch to sketch. So here also we need to make fillet. So click on fillet and create. So then specify radius for 1, same 2, click on equal, select this as reference and select all the other fillets. Fine now. To be 15, click on symmetric, this point, center line, and this point. So that's it. Now click OK. So automatically it is joining, but if you see over here we need to have fillet as well. So click OK. Fine. So inside we are giving, but we need it center, so take it as 35. So click over here and then go for fillet, select this and this one. So click on the arc, then make it 35, click OK. So automatically the shape what we require has been created. So now we need to make this shape. So for that, either you can create a plane exactly over here, and then with respect to that also you can make. I'm just clicking on a plane and selecting this as a reference. 136 is my offset distance, 136, click OK, but I need it in this side, so edit, minus 136, click OK. So in the plane make your sketch. So this is also a circle, outside is 56 diameter. So click over here, take that as a center point, make a circle, outside diameter 56. So click OK, extrude. So total 56, but with respect to center it has to be dividing like this. So now click OK. So here done. So the first step, we need to make this shape. It's exactly coming on the side. So now we need to make this shape over here. So you can see the dimension, it has been listed. So we need to create with respect to a center line. So I'll just make a center line over here. So then with respect to that, I'm just creating the shape. It's coming straight. Then it goes inside like this. Again, it coming straight. A small distance. Then angled. up to middle, then the same angle it rises, then it connects like this. So this is the shape that you require. So now we specify the dimensions and all. So either you can mirror it like this, specify the dimension. This one is 8.5 and the below one is 18. Fine. So this distance is 10.6. So create it, and here it is 11. Okay, so it's not straight. I think anyhow we are going to create only one side, revolve only, so we can delete it off. So we can specify dimension with respect to only one side. So click on dimension, select this, and then with respect to the center line, it's 4.25, correct. And this one 9 is 10.6, correct. This one at 5.5, and so it is having an angle of 8 degree. So with respect to center means it has to be 4. We need to make symmetric with respect to the center. To make it click over here, join it straight, and trim those part. So we need to fix this at a particular position. It is exactly intersecting at this center point. So coincident, or we can give tangent. So make it symmetric. Make it 15 as your outer, then revolve, with respect to the center. Click OK. So this has been done. So now we need to make the other shapes. So I think here also we are having a fillet of radius 2 on edges. Can you click on round? So select this, make it 2, and inside not required, only the outside, here and here. Fine. And select this edges, and over here as well. Now click OK. So fillet completed. So we need to make hole. So here we need to make 40, that is over here. Select this face, make a sketch. So click on concentric, select here, push in it, click on this, give diameter as 40, click OK, extrude, remove material, flip, through all, click OK. So this has been completed. So we need to make one more hole over here, click on this, make a sketch. So for that you haven't given dimension, so once again click on concentric, push in it downward, click over here, radius, make it as 35, so the diameter, make it as 35. Once again same thing, we need to remove material, flip, through. Now click OK. So we have completed the drawing. I think still we need to make this cut. So once again I'm just going to the sketch, edit the sketch. So here we need to have a rectangular shape, so I'm going with center rectangle, push in it, something like this. So I'll just trim this inside part, I don't require, and trim here as well. So this dimension is 4, so go for dimension, click over here, make it 4. So now click OK. So automatically it removes the material throughout. So we have completed the drawing. So if you have any doubt, just comment below. So I think chamfer also is there. Okay. So chamfer, so 2x45. So hold control and select here. So chamfer 2x45, hold control, select the edges, so edges, click OK. So that's it. So we will see